Hi lovelies, today we'll be cooking vegetable soup, the original and tastiest Edikang Ikong. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, please do well to like, comment and subscribe. Let's get into the video properly. This is already pre-cooked meat. Sorry, I did this behind the camera. I added stock fish to the mixture. Added my cow skin, which is known as pomo. I stirred and allowed everything to combine. Added my freshly washed snail. Cover and allow that to cook for some minutes. Making sure everything is well cooked. I proceeded to dropping it down from the fire and introducing a new pot. We'll be using this pot to cook the vegetable soup. I went in with palm oil. Added my properly washed water leaf. Stir and allow that to fry on medium heat for some minutes. The water leaf is well fried, so I went in with my meat stock and my proteins. Stir and allow everything to incorporate. Cover and allow that to cook for about 4 minutes. I added my seasoning cubes. Stir the mixture together. Cover and allow that to cook for another 1 minute. I added periwinkles to the mixture. Stir and allow everything to combine. Cover and allow that to cook. How to transfer into a bigger pot. Then I added the ugu leaves bit by bit into the mixture. I stirred and allowed everything to incorporate. Added my blended pepper, some salt for taste, more crayfish, added more palm oil to the mixture. Cover and allow that to cook for just a minute. Then stir everything together. At this point, our soup is 98% ready. Cover that for like 30 seconds. Our tastiest, yummy, delicious vegetable soup is ready. Please tell me in the comment section, what will you be pairing yours with? For me, I paired it with akpu, known as fufu. See you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.